25 lesser known facts of late veteran actor Irfan Khan. Film industry will remember the finest actor loss. No, not only the film industry fraternity, the human mankind will remember him for his efforts not to give up on life. He fought till his last breath. He did not give up on his life. His immense talent, effortless acting, his induced involvement in his acting has made him the finest actor who is not like other Khans of Bollywood, but a Khan with whom anybody can relate to the character deeply. An unconventional actor is today turned into a shining star for his screen presence. He was the powerhouse of the talent. The characters played by him will remain alive in our heart. He will be admired for carving out his own path in the industry without the hand on his head of any godfather. His par excellence has been set by his power pack performance for whatever acting he do. The actor belongs from a zamindar family from Tonak, Rajasthan, which has some royal connection, and has two siblings. His father always wanted him to join his family business, and we are so glad he did it, otherwise world would have missed his talent bucket. He got married to a fellow NSD student Sutpa Sikadar on February 23, 1995. He has two sons, Bilal and Ayan. He, from his heart, wanted to be a cricketer, but suddenly he became an actor by chance. He was known to be very particular about his script and reads a lot to understand his role. Such is his dedication that his writer wife Supta Sikdar had to rewrite some episodes of Banegi Apni Baat a dozen times on his notes. He held a diploma in dramatic arts and got a scholarship to attend National School of Drama in 1984. During his initial life, he was so bored that he thought of quitting a TV regular from 1994 to 1998. He landed on his first job in Mumbai as an air condition repairman. He was a final year student at NSD when he was chosen by Meera Nair for an epic role in the commercial movie Salaam Bombay. Irfan himself added an extra R to his name, hence the name IRRFAN, Irfan, which brought him such a charm. Irfan was amongst one of the tallest actors in Bollywood with 6 feet 1 inch height. As he was directed to stay in the USA for 4 months at a stretch for movie shooting, he refused a big role in Interstellar. His movie Lunchbox is the only Indian movie to have ever won a TFCA, Toronto Film Critics Association Award, and also won Critics Week's Viewers' Choice Award at the Cannes Film Festival. He used to draw the inspiration from actors like Manoj Kumar and Nasruddin Shah in his struggling days. After the success of Slumdog Millionaire, Julia Roberts was moved by his acting skills that she stopped outside the Kodak, the theater where the Oscars were being staged, to compliment Irfan on the power pack performance. The Rajasthan government named him the brand ambassador of Resurgent Rajasthan campaign in September 2015. The year 2011, Irfan Khan received the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor in India, for his contribution to the fields of arts. He won the Filmfare Award for Best Actor for the movie Hindi Medium in 2017. He spends a lot of time in reading. Sometimes he stays up till 3 am to read through at least one new Hollywood script a week. He was proud winner of 3 International Indian Film Academy Awards, 3 Filmfare Awards, and an Independent Spirit Award nomination. He has been detained twice at LA airport because of his name similar to a terror suspect. In 2014, he bagged the Asian Film Award for Best Actor. He landed his first role as a lead actor in the commercial movie for Rogue in the year 2005. He refused a movie to Christopher Nolan in 2014. National Film Award for the Best Actor in the 60th National Film Award 2012 and a Filmfare Critic Award for the Best Actor for his role in the movie Pan Singh Tomar. Irfan Khan is the first Bollywood actor in 2 Academy Award winning movies, Slumdog Millionaire and Life of Pi. Hard work walked with him in this life of veteran actor Irfan Khan, and it displays a deep message for the present generation. Do whatever you love to, but garnishing of hard work will make the life easy to taste better. Rip from the bottom of the heart.